It's Wilke de Kraai here, and in this video I want to show you a quick case study of a Facebook ads campaign that we've been running, and every single time that we put $1 in, we're getting $2.4 back out. So $1 in, $2.4 back out, $1 in, $2.4 back out, and that's been going on for quite a while. So I'm going to show you how we did it, but first let me show you the actual results that we've been getting. So here's my Facebook ads account, and as you can see right here, in total we spent, by the way, this is set on lifetime, so this has been from October to December, so roughly 2 months time. We spent 2,800 euros, which is roughly $3,000, and in return we did close to 6,700 euros, which is $7,000 US dollars. So we took $3,000 and we spent it on Facebook ads, and we got 7,000 back. So every dollar returned $2.4 back. Now the thing is, this is not some weird niche or anything like that. We use this to promote a viral, which is inside the online marketing space, which, as you probably know, is highly competitive and usually is pretty much impossible, or at least very hard to make it work with interest-based targeting. But obviously we did it a bit clever because we used Connect Explore, right? So what we did when we first started, we just searched for a lot of interest and we put them all inside one Facebook ad. We didn't want to create a whole lot of split tests, and all we did was this. So we then selected, let me just I'll give you an example of a similar one, interest-based. So for example, this one. And this way we were able to just run a single ad, and we were able to break down all the statistics based on an interest per interest basis. We could exactly see which interest actually worked for us, and then we just started optimizing. So whenever we saw something was not working, we just deleted the actual interest. So let me just give you an example. For example, if I click here, boom, now this ad is not targeting this interest anymore. So this way we were able to optimize our ads over and over. So that's why right now you're seeing a $1 to $2.4. Obviously, if we would run the audiences that now we know work, the ROI would be even higher. But initially we started testing, and we started checking these statistics. We started deleting the actual interest that didn't work for us, and that way we were able to improve over time. So like I just showed you, $2,000, 2,000 euros and 2,800 euros in, and 6,700 euros out. So $3,000 US dollars in, 7,000 US dollars out, and that's what we've been able to do using Connect Explore. So I hope that you like this quick little demo video or case study video, and I'll talk to you all soon.